Hello viewers, welcome to VRA Tutorials. In this video, we are going to learn how we form question tags in English. This is question tags part 3. I have made already part 1 and part 2. If you want to know them, you can watch our previous videos on part 1 and 2. This is part 3. So మనం tense wise నేర్చుకుంటున్నాం. So now we are at simple future tense. So let's go with the examples. We already know that positive statements and negative statements. You know the rules to form question tags. మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్స్ ని ఎలా ఫామ్ చేయాలో రూల్స్ కూడా మనం ఫస్ట్ వీడియోలో నేర్చుకున్నాం. సో సింపుల్ గా ఏంటంటే if the statement is in positive, the question tag must be in negative. If the statement is in negative, the question tag must be in positive. So let's go with the examples. So first one is future simple positive statements. So the first example is she'll call me back. The question tag is won't she? Next, he'll be very upset. Won't he? They'll reply soon. Won't they? They'll sing at the concert. Won't they? You'll speak confidently. Won't you? Next, negative statements. So negative statements ki మనం positive question tags ఇవ్వాలి. So the first example is she'll not call me back. Will she? He will not be very upset. Will he? They won't reply soon. Will they? They won't sing at the concert. Will they? You will not speak confidently. Will you? So next tense, present continuous. So the positive statement. She's working hard these days. Isn't she? They are singing songs, aren't they? We're staying together, aren't we? You are living in India, aren't you? Negative statements. She isn't working hard these days. Is she? They're not singing songs. Are they? We are not staying together, are we? You aren't living in India. Are you? You aren't living in India, are you? So next tense is past continuous. You are staying together, weren't you? The negative statement. You weren't staying together. Were you? So the positive statement is you were staying together, weren't you? The negative statement is you weren't staying together. Were you? Next, future continuous. He'll be arriving soon. Won't he? They won't be working tonight. Will they? Next, past perfect. It is very important. So, positive statements. So, ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే మనం షూర్గా తెలుసుకోవాల్సింది helping verbs. Have, has. Right? So, the first example is I have known you for many years, haven't I? She has been in business since 2015, hasn't she? She has called me, hasn't she? You have lived here for long. You have lived here for very long, haven't you? Those kids have played football, haven't they? Here, those kids. Here, those kids become they. Okay, those kids have played football, haven't they? They have been to London, haven't they? Next, negative statements. I haven't known you for many years, have I? She hasn't spoken to you yet, has she? She hasn't called for 10 days, has she? You haven't lived here for very long, have you? Those kids haven't played football, have they? నెక్స్ట్ ప్రెజెంట్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్. సో వీటికి కూడా సేమ్ అండి, హెల్పింగ్ వర్బ్నే యూస్ చేస్తాం. సో he has been working a lot recently, hasn't he? Negative sentences. It hasn't been working for 2 months, has it? Next, past perfect. He had lost his wallet, hadn't he? Negative is, he had not been to London before, had she? So ఇలా మనం question tags ని form చేయొచ్చు. So if you find this video useful, please do like and share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.